This way. Position. Roll up your hand and go to your bottom. Hey, do the thing. Hey, and you try go back. Go all the way down. Hey, hey. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new noisy day here in my house. You hear them? Those are my kids being themselves. Sarah have the time of her life whenever Tyler is home. Look at them, look at them. Look at them, look at her, look at her. Look at her, just look at her, just look at her, just look at her. Running from our brother, look at her. She says she's hiding. Tyler, take time. Run, Sarah, run. Run, princess. Oh my god. She just loves when Tyler is home and I love it. Ty, take your time. Oh my god. As early as the morning is. Look at them. Still in pajamas. Look at her. Oh my gosh. The way she using the cushion to cover her face. Ty? No, go for it. He's coming, Sarah, he's coming. She looking so weird to run to. Shh, Tyler, you're too loud. Oh my god. She's trying to find everything to find refuge to hide. To hide behind. Anyway, you guys, I have so much up my agenda today to get done. I woke up and I finished working out and just jumping into the thick of things. Now what I realize is that because we're on vacation, I set my alarm to wake me up at 8 o'clock, but that's wrong. So I'm gonna have to readjust. Because when I set my alarm to wake me up at 8 o'clock, by the time I look after both kids, Ty, you're too loud. By the time I look after both kids, it's like 8:45 and that's not good for me to start working out so late. If I dropped Tyler to school, I would start work like about 8:35, and even though it's just a few minutes after, it still sets me back. And because I have the two of them, I have to attend to them so much. So now I think I'm gonna have to wake up like about 7:30 to offset things so I can start work out like about 8:15 to give me a little head start. So I'm gonna have to adjust my clock and wake up better in order to have a full productive day. Tyler is on to activity. He working on his vacation book, because you guys know that we're going on vacation, and when we're off on that vacation, he won't be able to be doing, I don't think he'll get a chance to do any activity like that, though he'll bring his at least one book. But you have to get as much practice in before we head off on vacation. Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work, and like I said, I have my day full. I'm not going to name out all the things that I have on my agenda today, but you guys will see what I'll get done throughout today as the day goes by with these two around. You want to go for your step and come say good morning?
One. Do you know when we're going on vacation?
Yes, they know when we're going on vacation.
And it's the third Saturday.
You
The
ready?
name is the Saturday after next Saturday.
Who says?
It's because I count.
You count?
Yes.
So why are you doing your mouth like that? Stop speaking like
Because.
that. I said stop speaking like that. Alright, finish. Alright, anyway you guys, I'm going to go kick my day off with some work. So
And show all the other ones. That means Sarah.
okay, we're gonna show Sarah. Let's go show Sarah. Let's go show Sarah. Sarah. Say good. Oh. Say good morning to the faves. Say hi. Say hi. Oh lordy, oh lordy, oh lordy, oh lord, oh la la. Oh my god, she don't want to talk to you guys, but she wanna play, that's for sure. Look at them. They throw off all the cushions on the floor. What can I say? I'm not gonna even fight with them right now. I don't have the strength. So I'm just gonna allow them to play. And we'll fight later about the cushions. Look at her, look at her. Look at her, look at her. She got under my foot and so does he. Lord have mercy. My kids are crazy. Position. Hold up your head and cock out your bottom. Hold up on the bed down, hold on strong. Go like this. Do like this, Kala. Do it. Do it.
No.
Choo. It's a classic Jamaican dance. You have to learn how to do it. No, this way. Position. Hold up your head and cock out your bottom. Hey, do the thing. Hey, and you try go back. Go all the way down. Hey.
She's not Jamaican, she failed. She's
You
an
guys.
imitation.
Yeah, listen
She's
to
a
me.
100% imitation. She fake. She born in Delaveaus.
Right now, there's more Jamaican than me right now. In this house. None of them.
None of you.
Not even close.
None of you.
Anyway, you guys, the day has flown by so much. And we're at this point in the afternoon where...
Beep.
Oh my god. I went to the supermarket. Not we.
I went to pick up
went to the
her.
supermarket with
I
my two
went to
kids.
pick up her.
Shopping, me and my babies. And my Tyler did a good job by ticking off the list for me while Mama pick up the things. Right, Ty?
Right, but Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
if I eat a more lot of broccoli when I will be 7 years old, I will be bigger than you.
I have no doubt about that. I think
Let me
you're
tell
right.
you that is not hard.
And after I will
Anyway,
be bigger than Papa.
say hello to this one because y'all don't see him from bird and he come with his full real.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I went to pick them at the supermarket. So yeah, we're just gonna show you what she gets. So yeah.
Let's get into the supermarket haul real quick. Let's do it now. Listen, I watch Alicia Kim too much. I'm starting to speak like her. Let's do. If you guys don't know who is Alicia Kim, you guys need to go and check out her channel. I'll leave her link down below. She and her husband is the funniest. Anyway,
It's
I pick up chocolate bread and it's not for babe, it's for Tyler.
When they already start to eat it. Let me tell you how much it is in normally.
4.
Oh, it's only 4? Well, I only see 3, so.
Because the kids had one.
Yeah, I believe it was like 6 and they already got 3.
And you know I'm not eating that. If it was croissant, I would sneak a piece, but it's not croissant. Hi, my Sarah! Hi, my Sarah! Hi, my Sarah!
Alright, let's go.
Go watch TV.
What is
Mama
there?
still come. Alright, let's go. Let's see what babe don't know.
B+.
Okay, Tyler giving grades as far as we concerned right now, so I'll
This
tell
is
you
the
what
corner.
it is.
You're
Comfort.
organized. Oh, I'm gonna give you F for organizer.
Juice on the top.
Yeah, juice.
We
What
have... What do you think is in here? You have 2 seconds. 1, 2.
Ginger.
Banana.
Yeah,
I like to buy my
banana.
bananas a little bit green these days because in 2 days the ripe and start spoil.
Banana. We have
Orange juice. It's for Tyler, it's not for babe.
No, mini. I don't drink mini. I don't drink mini. I'm take chi. What's the sense of taking mini?
It's Coca-Cola if you guys wondering. Chicken.
We have chicken. We have mixed veggies. We have Lino and tin meal.
My slim juice that babe don't like.
She really need it. Really need it.
It tastes like something and I'm hooked.
We have avocado.
Brioche,
Tyler,
sweet
Tyler,
breakfast, Sarah.
We have happy biscuits and donuts for Tyler. Definitely for
Pretzel.
Tyler.
Sarah love pretzel and these were on sale for €1. It's 2 big packs, so you know something definitely pick it up. Flour,
We have flour,
pizza.
mini pizza, 2 pack. We have some peach, a big family pack peach. And we have some melon, that's what we call melon.
Yeah.
And we have some tomato.
I find myself have to be buying popcorn a lot these days because my Sarah love
This
popcorn.
little baby piece of pineapple for $2.57.
You pick them want it, me I go buy it, sir. We have salmon here and I'm going to go and start cooking it right now because I pre-cooked before I left but I didn't do the protein because I knew I was going to pick this up. So I'm going to leave babe to finish the haul.
We have some carrots, some shred carrots here.
Go fast, babe.
That should be good protein too. Give me, Tyler. Don't open
Tyler,
it.
don't open it.
Alright.
Okay.
We have some blueberries. Okay, somebody want to do
Who is the blueberry for? Who asked for blueberry?
You asked for blueberry?
Tyler love blueberry.
So how are you gonna eat that?
I'm going to eat. Sarah, come in. Sarah, what do you want?
Tyler, give me something else.
Sarah, what do you want?
Give me.
I'm going to give you escalope.
We have some escallops. Somebody want to cook French, and
Sarah,
it's not
no.
me. Everything for barbecue and escallop. They were saying that. Yeah.
I wanted to surprise babe. I'm cooking the French dish that he made long time ago with the mushroom and the escalope.
Very good one.
So I tried to find the ingredients out of my head. Hopefully I pick up the right things.
I'm sure she did. We have some chicken here. We have cereal bar. That's a new one.
I don't know what's going on with Kellogg's. They're not bringing back the old ones, so I see this new ones.
We have strawberry. And we have cashew here. A little pack because the big pack finish as fast as the little one.
Exactly, that's why I take the little
We have
pack.
some.
I'm guilty of the cashew.
Some beef. How do you call this?
Beef, just beef.
We have some beef here. All done.
Yeah. We have some honey.
The board? Which board?
Thank you.
We have some tomato.
Good job, Ty.
We have some sausage.
Sausage.
So what we have here, we have some.
We have a Ben biscuit. What?
We have some heavy biscuit. We have a coconut milk in the tin.
coconut milk in a tin? That's not tin.
No, in the box.
That's box.
We have crepe. Crepe for Tyler. Another one of gum. And we have cream for the thing for the mushroom escalope.
Get over mouth.
Okay.
Tyler asked for
So let's see if she's gonna do the gnocchi with the cheese.
Oh,
no.
the cheese.
You should look it up.
With the nasty blue cheese for
Yes,
you
with the
now.
blue cheese. We have some Danette. Danette is
What's
the
Sarah in
brand.
the back? If you guys speak to Sarah.
Yeah,
Tyler, take
chocolate.
time with her.
And vanilla. We have some yogurt for the entire family basically. The kids eat yogurt since they're baby. That's what we do in France. White bread.
This is cereal bar.
Oh, we have another cereal bar. This looks yummy. This looks
This is the
You know that one.
This is
caramel.
the
No, this one is caramel. It's not chocolate. It's the same one as the chocolate.
This
is
one
caramel.
is the banana biscuit.
So let's test the caramel one. We have some.
You love caramel.
Banana biscuit.
You love caramel.
Yeah, let's see how it tastes.
A chocolate milk.
Chocolate mix for the kid. The kid love
Papa,
this.
when I say something, you don't repeat what I say.
Okay.
You do something else.
Exactly.
Cookie.
So beside the cookie, because it's not healthy, I'm gonna put the salad to balance.
But
Dishwash soap.
Dishwash soap, what the have to balance?
you have to balance what?
Glorilla.
Blue relax.
This is tea. This is tea. I see another. The amount of cream that she took is like the 6-pack that I see.
Move.
You took all of them, so you sure you get the right one?
No, I take the liquid cream, I take the whipped cream, and I saw coconut milk. That's three
And
different
here
types
there
of
is a
cream.
shrimp.
That's three different types of cream.
Mushroom.
Oh,
Mushroom. We have
where is
mushroom here. And oasis. Oasis is the drink.
Papa, I said don't repeat what I say.
Oh, and this is the brain of Tyler. As you can see, it's very little.
Apple juice.
We have 2 packs of apple juice. What do we have?
Apple juice.
We have our usually thing now. We have broccoli, we
Yes,
have
usual veggies that you see every week.
That's all of the veggies, nothing special, no surprise. No cheesecake, you didn't give me cheesecake.
I didn't look for no cheesecake, sir. You don't have cake for the past few days. The past 2 days you're eating chocolate cake. What more cake you want? You're not forget no more cake until your birthday.
Alright, I'm gonna go
next
out
month.
walk and I'm gonna get the cheesecake myself.
So you know what?
Anyway guys, that's it for today. It was a good month. It's been a long time we didn't go, but I think that's one of the last of the month that is that big, because the next time we're gonna have to go slower.
Because vacation.
You don't want to have all of these things spoiled in the fridge. So we're gonna have to make sure we eat everything that's
We're not gonna do any more time.
going like an expiration date very close. So
Yeah.
Now we're gonna eat. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Tell us, Sarah, have your markers. Sarah, fast.
soon.
Hold on, Sarah, write out the host. A quick fix for today: green beans, salmon, and quinoa.
Je veux un petit peu de tout. Papa, je veux un petit peu de tout.
Stop.